What's up everybody, it's Paula here from the Excel Club with another Excel video for you today. What we're going to look at in this video is how you can create a unique list from a list of values that contains duplicate or triplicates or reoccurring of the same values or of the same string. Now this is only one way that you can create a unique list, and there are other ways that you can create a unique list. If you're working with Excel 365, there is the unique function, but many of us aren't working in Excel 365 and advanced filter is a very viable option. One use of this would be if you were creating a bridging table for maybe two fact tables in a Power Pivot model. Now doing it in Excel is one thing and that's what you're going to learn here, but if you are using this to create a bridging table, there's also an option to create bridging tables and get unique lists from two tables and combine them into one larger unique list using Power Query. But we're going to look at that in a different video. In this video, we're using the advanced filter to create a unique list. But before we get stuck into that video, I do hope that you will subscribe to my channel and hit that notifications button so you don't miss any more of my videos. If you find this video to be of use, please do give it the thumbs up and share it across your social profiles. So let's hop over to Excel now and take a look at an example of creating a unique list using the advanced feature function in Excel. In this video, I want to show you a nifty trick for creating a unique list from a list where values are repeated multiple times. This type of unique list is often required when you want to create a bridging table from one table to another in Power Pivot. We've got an invoice table here for an example. And we have the customer name, and the customer name is listed many times. And we want to be able to just get a list so we can create a table from that list to create a bridging table. Well, if we select this column of data, the column that we want to work with, and from data under sort and filter, if you go to advanced, now it says we have the advanced filter option and we want to filter this to another location. I'm going to basically just copy it over here to cell H1. Now here's the trick. What I want to do is get unique records only. Now this has created a list for me, and what we can now do is we can cut the list from here and we can create a new sheet and we can paste in the data from the new sheet. Create this into a table, name the table, for example, customer, and then we can load this table into our Power Pivot model as a bridging table if need be.